Hi everybody, it's Jen from Caketastic Cakes. I'm going to show you how to make a nice and simple Deadpool logo, so let's do it. I've been making a few of these Avengers or Marvel superheroes, just real quick, basic, simple, easy faces or whatever, and so I'm just sharing them with you. Deadpool, super easy. This is going to be a quick video. Start with red. Make a red circle. You're halfway done already. Make a smaller black circle. You want it to be maybe 2 or 3 rings, if you have a set of rings, smaller. And as you can see, I used 2 lollipop sticks as a marker and just cut it off. So now it's smaller, and when you put it back together, it's going to have a gap in the middle to be the 2 sides of his black mask. I'm using the same ring that I used to make the black to just reshape it because, as you saw, the black was soft and it pulled when I dragged the knife down. Once you get your half of a black back into shape, you're going to just place it on the red. Yeah, you just place it as centered as possible. Make sure you leave that gap. You see how I'm kind of lining it up to make sure it's nice and even. And you're over 2/3 done now. Take your white, roll it out pretty thin. I used a square cutter. You don't even have to use that if you don't have one. Just make 2 triangles. That's it for his eyes. Smooth off the edges a little bit because they're not too pointy. The one at the top is. The other 2 are a little bit more rounded. And then just place them very carefully so that it looks nice and neat and even. Whoa, that one got away from me. I hate it when it does that. But yeah, that's it. A little bit of water, stick it in place, boom, Deadpool. There you go. How quick and easy was that? All right. Check out my other Avenger and Marvel superheroes. I got all kinds of superhero stuff out there, so check it out. Please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.